Today in the Ashok Nagar police station limits. Today in the Ashok Nagar police station limits, an incident has taken place wherein the Confident Group chairman and founder, he has reportedly shot himself dead. As of the initial reports, the soccer team, the ballistic team, all have come here. We are inquiring into it. We are taking up a case. The body was the injured person was immediately shifted to a nearby hospital where he was declared dead, brought dead. As of now, the reports say that since last 2 to 3 days, the income tax team were having a search and search of this premises. We are not aware of all the details. The team had come from Kerala, and the incident which has taken place is we are yet to investigate, start the investigation, because the complaint is being drafted, and the police is in touch with the family members who are not in India. We are coming by tonight flight. Once they come, we will come to know the further details. As of now, it is a case of shooting, self-shooting, and still the case till all the angles are inquired into it, I cannot give a detailed report on that.
So what is the case? It is a UDR or abatement to suicide?
We'll see. As they give a case, we'll take it.
Sir, there is information that some income tax officers were there in the office when this incident took place. What are the facts?
No, I told since last 2 days there was a raid going on. As of preliminary information, we are yet to inquire with the IT officials, because initially we wanted to secure this place. Our team is inquiring with them also, but initial report says that yes, there was a raid going on, which the raid had happened earlier also, and there were some inquiries going on, but we are yet to have the details of that.
So what is the procedure of IT raid? Weren't they supposed to seize the mobile phone and the weapon before questioning the suspect?
No, we are not aware of the details. This incident, we are right now here about the crime which has happened, how it happened, what happened, and all those details we'll find out and let you know.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.